Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today I will be talking about one of my recent trade which I took on 10th of February 2022. I bought a triple calendar spread. I will be talking about this trade. Also, I will be updating you about my last week triple calendar spread trade. How much profit did I make out of it? Those who are new to my channel, let me give you a little introduction. I trade triple calendar spread every week for consistent income. My profit target is 10% of my investment every week. So if you are also interested to make consistent weekly income in a very safe way, please subscribe to my channel to learn more about this strategy. Also, if you want to get latest update about my trades, do follow my Instagram. Whenever I make any trade, I post it on my Instagram. So you can follow it from there. The link to my Instagram is in the down description below. You can follow it from there. So now let's start the video. On 10th of February, SPY was moving around $450. So I bought one at the money, put calendar spread at $450. Now to take care of SPY directional move, whether it can go up or down, I chose 20 points for calendars. As you might guys know, may be knowing from my previous videos that in this volatile situation I am choosing 20 points for calendars for directional moves, and also since I was able to see this 470 some sort of resistance here, so there's good chances if SPY moves up it will show some sort of resistance here and it will bounce back. That's why for the upward movement I have chosen 470 strike price calendar. In case of downward movement, as you can see, 430 area it will show some sort of support, so there's good chances it will bounce back. That's why I have chosen these strike prices. Now how about the dates? So you guys might be knowing I do trade of 14 days to expiry calendars. So since I entered in this trade on 10th of February, so 14 days were around 24th. I trade the Friday options, so I sold 25th February option, and to buy the another leg of the calendar, I bought 4th of March option. So this was 5th of February selling the option, and 4th of March buying the option. And now those who know, I track my trades in this Excel sheet. So let me show you there also. So these are the three calendars which I bought, selling 25th February and buying 4th of March. The calendar prices were the 430 costed me 105. The $450 strike price calendar cost me $141 since this is expensive one since it is at the money, and 470 strike price calendar cost me $58. So in total I spent $304 for every lot. And now based on your investment you can buy multiple lots of this triple calendar spread. The 430 and 450 calendars are put calendar spread, and 470 calendar spread is the call one. The reason being the volume is more and there is very less chances it will get assigned. Now on February 11th, the SPY made a loss of 2%, but our calendar, this triple calendar was in profit of 7%. So hopefully in the next few days, we will hit our 10% profit goal and will exit this trade. Now let's talk about my last week triple calendar trade. So those who haven't watched my last video where I discussed about my last week triple calendar spread, I have put the video you can see on top of your screen. So on 20th of January 2022, I entered this similar triple calendar spread. I chose 455, 430 and 410 strike prices. In the next few days, SPY moved up and we chose very wisely this 455. As you can see, this was very correct. At 455, it shows some sort of resistance and SPY bounced back. So our strike prices were very well chosen. However, we exited the trade with a small loss of 3%. And the reason was the VIX. In on 20th of January, VIX was around 30, and in the next few days as you can see the VIX went down, and because of which we made this loss. Let me show you how this trade performed day by day in this Excel sheet. So on 28th of January, I entered this trade. On 31st of January, I was in loss of 6%. On February 1st, it was in loss of 18%. On February 2nd, it was in loss of 27%. On February 3rd, we were in profit finally of 3%. And on February 4th, we were in small loss of 3%. Now, I on February 4th, I had to exit the trade since the expiry was 11th of February, since I sold 11th of February calendar and I bought the 18th February. So I had to exit 1 week ahead of it. So I'd never remain in a calendar trade in the last week since it is very volatile to price movement of SPY. So I exited on 4th of February. I could have exited on 3rd of February, but I waited till 4th of February for the reason being I thought it might go a little more up. But it's okay. In this very bad scenario, as you guys know, calendars are very sensitive to VIX, and here it was a very bad environment for the calendar trade. And even then, this triple calendar gave you loss of only 3%. You can also see if I would have bought only one single calendar spread at the money calendar spread, it would have given me a loss of 5.66%, more than 3%. Even in the worst day here, I was in loss of 27%, but single calendar would have given you a loss of 47%. You can check any day. Here it was 18% loss, here it is 32% loss. Here you are in profit of 3%, but here only 1.26%. So any day you can see we are better off with this triple calendar spread. And in this very bad environment where VIX fall a lot, we made very small losses. So those who are trading just single calendar spread, I will highly recommend you guys to do triple calendar spread. And those who are not doing any calendar spread, I will highly recommend you start doing this trade. At least follow my channel, subscribe to it so that you can get idea, you can get motivation how these are doing every week. I can show you my last trades. Like in this last week trade, I made a profit of 9.7%. Before that, I made a profit of 10.11%. Before that, I made a profit of 17%. These all are all my previous trades you can see here. Here I made a profit of 11.55%. Here I made a profit of 11.08%. So you can see every week consistently I'm making 10% plus profit. So I will highly recommend you start, at least follow my channel and see these videos, my every video, so you get motivated. This single calendar you can see here, I've it gave me a loss of 18%. Here it is in profit of 11%. Here it is in loss of 19%, but my triple calendar is in profit of 14%. So you can see how well I'm choosing my strike prices, my dates, when to enter, when to exit. Don't be greedy, exit at 10% profit, everything I'm doing. So do follow my channel if you want to get motivated. First, the important part is if you can get motivated, then you can learn how we trade. All other people are charging you for this, I am giving it for free. I started this YouTube channel very recently so that everyone else also can. I was making consistent profit from this, so I thought I will teach you guys also how to make consistent money from these trades. I post all my trades in my Instagram, so you can follow there, so you can get recent updates there also. And one disclaimer, all this information I give on this YouTube channel in these videos are for your knowledge purpose only. Don't make any trades based on my videos. Do your own research before placing any trades. Thank you.